Samsung's upcoming foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6, have been the talk of the tech world for weeks, and thanks to some amazing leaks, we finally have a good idea of what they'll look like. This time, the leaks come from Evan Blass, a well-known name in the industry. He shared high-quality images that look like official press renders, giving us the clearest view of these phones yet. These leaks follow up on previous ones that showed the phones inside their official Samsung cases. But this time, we had a close-up look at the phones themselves, and it's stunning. Based on the leaks and details from Evan Blass, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 appears to be coming in two colors, a sleek silver and a deep navy blue. The navy is a welcome change from the usual black and silver options, offering a more distinctive look. For the Galaxy Z Flip 6, the leaked images show a light, almost periwinkle blue that's quite refreshing. It's a nice departure from the darker blues we've seen on previous Flip models. However, the story doesn't end there. Just recently, passionate geeks shared new images of the Fold 6 boasting a whole new color palette, pink, blue, and silver. The pink is especially eye-catching, softening the phone's otherwise bold, square design. Tech insider Ice Universe even chimed in, suggesting black and white might be added to the mix. With all this speculation, it's possible there could be up to 5 color options for each phone, but that remains to be seen. The leaks also reveal some design changes for the Z Fold 6. It appears to have a squarer overall shape, with the rear camera bump sticking out more prominently. The biggest difference seems to be the outer screen. According to Ice Universe, who shared a helpful diagram, it's now a wider 60.2mm compared to the 57.4mm of the Z Fold 5. That's a 5% increase in width, making the new outer screen much more usable. Ice Universe also shared some rumored specs. When unfolded, the Fold 6 is said to have a near-square 7.6-inch display with an 8:6.9 aspect ratio. Unfolded dimensions are listed as 132.6mm x 153.7mm with a weight of 238 grams and a thickness of 5.6mm. The blogger compares this to a smaller version of the Vivo X Fold 3, suggesting a similar screen experience. Of course, these are all leaks and rumors. Samsung will officially unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 at their upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event. But with these leaks giving us such a clear picture, there's a lot to be excited about. New colors, a potentially wider outer screen, and a squarer design. These leaks paint a picture of exciting updates for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Today, we are diving into the latest buzz surrounding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Buckle up, because this phone is shaping up to be a true game changer in the world of smartphones. Let's get into the juicy details. First off, Samsung seems laser-focused on making the S25 Ultra the king of smartphones in 2025. The company appears to be using a two-pronged attack to achieve this, a monstrous camera system and mind-blowing performance upgrades. Let's start with the camera. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to stick with its familiar quad-camera setup, but with some serious enhancements. The main sensor will likely boast a hopping 200 megapixels, matching the S24 Ultra but optimized for the S25 Ultra's specific hardware, thanks to the new Snapdragon Agent 4 camera ISP. But that's not all. We're also looking at a 5x optical zoom lens with a 50 megapixel sensor, a brand new 3x optical zoom lens, also with a 50 megapixel sensor, and an ultra-wide angle lens getting a bump to 50 megapixels as well. These upgrades, particularly for the 3x zoom and ultra-wide sensors, are long overdue and promise to significantly elevate mobile photography. Now let's talk about performance. One of the most exciting rumors is the reintroduction of a fan-favorite feature, a 16GB RAM option. And not just any RAM, but the industry-first LPDDR5X RAM, capable of speeds up to a staggering 10.7 GHz. This translates to unparalleled performance for on-device AI, demanding tasks like cloud gaming, and much more. When you combine this insane RAM with the power of the Snapdragon Agent 4 processor, the S25 Ultra has the potential to be the absolute performance leader in the smartphone world. Speaking of the Agent 4, another reliable leak suggests it'll house the most powerful GPU ever seen in a smartphone. Benchmarks show prototypes running Genshin Impact at a smooth 1080p resolution and 60 FPS, a dream for mobile gamers. Currently, this popular game is capped at 720 on most phones, and maintaining a consistent 60 FPS is a struggle. Of course, with great power comes a potentially higher price tag. Rumors suggest the Snapdragon Agent 4 chip could inflate the price of the entire S25 series compared to its predecessor. Qualcomm has reportedly increased the cost of the Agent 4 significantly compared to the Agent 3. This leaves Samsung with a tough choice: raise prices across the board or potentially use the Exynos 2500 processor for the S25 and S25 Plus, reserving the mighty Agent 4 exclusively for the S25 Ultra. The Agent 4 itself is a whole new beast, built from the ground up using Qualcomm's Super Orion cores previously seen in their laptops. This chip has the potential to give the Galaxy S25 Ultra performance that rivals some Apple M series laptops. But wait, there's more. We also have hot rumors about the Galaxy S25 Ultra being equipped with the next generation of storage, UFS 4.1. Universal Flash Storage, or UFS, determines how fast your phone can access and store data. The latest and greatest version is UFS 4.0, which powers many current flagships, including the Galaxy S24. But the future is calling, and whispers suggest the Galaxy S25 Ultra might be the first to sport UFS 4.1. While UFS 5.0 is expected around 2027, UFS 4.1 steps in as a minor yet significant upgrade. It's not a mind-blowing jump in raw numbers, but it's targeted to enhance specific areas like on-device AI features. Faster read and write speeds with UFS 4.1 will allow the phone to access data needed by AI algorithms much quicker, translating to smoother performance for features like scene optimization in your camera app, real-time language translation, and other background AI functions. So, what does this all mean? The Galaxy S25 Ultra, if equipped with UFS 4.1, is shaping up to be a powerhouse for AI enthusiasts. Faster data access, improved multitasking, and potential battery life improvements. That's a recipe for a future-proof phone ready to tackle demanding tasks. Of course, this is all based on rumors for now, but one thing's for sure: the future of smartphones looks increasingly intertwined with the power of AI, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, with its potential UFS 4.1 upgrade, might just be at the forefront of that exciting evolution. So there you have it. What are your thoughts on the upcoming S25 Ultra? Are the camera upgrades exciting you? Can't wait for the return of 16 gigabytes RAM? Or is the potential power of the Snapdragon Agent 4 blowing your mind? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you in the next one, guys. Until then, goodbye.